Hello everyone and welcome to Blisstech Solutions Tuesday's 2-minute tech tips. So in this tech tip we're going to show you how you can take some data that you might have been given to sort out using Excel. So this might be something for a Word document. What we've got here as an example is a whole bunch of addresses that's been provided in a Word document, and we need to organise this into columns. So it's a bit fiddly. So you have to bear with me while I go through this, but hopefully it won't take too long to show you. So basically what we need to do is, first of all, we need to reference our cells over here into columns. So what I'm going to do is type equals A1, which basically references cell A1, and then repeat that for A2, A3. Each time I'm pressing tab, so it moves along to the next one, then A4. So we've got A1, 2, 3, 4 put across here into columns. Okay, so how do we sort out the rest? So if we highlight this and then the white space here, and then drag this down to the bottom, drag it down from the corner right the way to the bottom of our data, and it's done exactly the same for each of these rows. The reason I selected the 4 blank rows below is because they're all in the same format, so we're going to copy the first row plus the blank rows all the way through the sheet. Okay, so that's that done. Let's go back to the top. So we've still got this data here we want to get rid of, but if we delete it now, it's going to delete the data here because we're referencing the cell. So highlight this, Control C to copy, and then paste values. So let's just go and paste the values back over the top, and so we see here we've removed the referencing, we've actually got the data. Now we can delete this. Get rid of that as well. And then finally we just want to get rid of the blank space, so we just highlight the cells and go into data and sort by column A. So that'll sort it into alphabetical order, getting rid of all of the white space in between. All done. Finally, we might want to split these up into first name and last name. So I'm going to insert a column here, highlight this data, and then use the text to columns feature. So text to columns we want delimited because it is delimited using a space. That's the delimiter between the two pieces of data. Click next. We've already got space clicked. If it wasn't, we just check it. See, it puts a line down between there, and then finish. Separates out the first name and last name. All done. Data sorted. Took about 2 minutes. Hope you found it useful. See you soon.